Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the daily edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and updates including Randy Orton's WrestleMania 37 opponent possibly revealed, while The Rock suffered from injury during his workout, and more important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 6 is Randy Orton's WrestleMania 37 opponent possibly revealed. At Hell in a Cell 2020, Randy Orton finally defeated Drew McIntyre and became 14-time WWE World Champion. This match happened in the main event of the show where Randy Orton picked up a win via pinfall after delivered RKO to Drew McIntyre. Randy Orton wins means Drew McIntyre's 203 days title reigns come to an end. Now WWE rumors suggested that possible plan for Randy Orton for WrestleMania 37. According to WWE latest news and updates, WWE's possible plan to have Edge show up and challenge Randy Orton for WWE Championship at WrestleMania 37. Here is what WWE news stated. Randy Orton is been great. I think Randy Orton as a short-time champion right now can be a great, but you can't build this around Randy Orton. It's step backward and they may doing because they have lots of steps backward. So as of now, if we join the dots and it's clearly shown that Edge vs Randy Orton match for WWE Championship is almost confirmed for WrestleMania 37. Number 5 is The Rock suffered from an injury during his workout. It's been many years that The Rock does not enter in WWE ring, but he still keep his body in shape. He often shares his photos on social media in which we can see that he really work hard on his body. But now WWE news comes out which is not good because The Rock suffered from an injury during this recent workout session. On social media, The Rock gave his news and said that he got a cut on his face while working out in his gym. The Rock also explained how he gets that injury. He is told that he get injured during he's doing a drop set of 50-pound chains. He kept on training and later stitch it up. So this is just a small update about The Rock that you all should know about. Number 4 is Roman Reigns' Survivor Series 2020 opponent possibly revealed. At Hell in a Cell 2020, we see a brutal and emotional showdown between Roman Reigns and Jey Uso. Roman Reigns successfully defended his Universal Championship against Jey Uso at that show. After a long time, WWE gives what fans actually wants, and that is Roman Reigns as a heel superstar, and fans actually enjoy Roman Reigns' heel persona and his WWE run. But now question is what next for Roman Reigns and his Universal Championship. So Survivor Series around the corner and we see the champions versus champions match at that show. So Randy Orton versus Roman Reigns match is now set for a Survivor Series 2020 pay-per-view. For Roman Reigns, the 2020 year is full of ups and downs. First, he gets an opportunity for Universal title match against Goldberg at WrestleMania 37. But due to the current pandemic situation, he does not feel safe to work in this current environment and take a leave for 4 months. But after he returns, we saw a new avatar of Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns make heel turn on his return and is also won the Universal Championship. On the other hand, Randy Orton had an amazing year. WWE give first is a feud against the returning Edge. Then they involved in 2 amazing matches at WrestleMania 36 and then at Backlash respectively. Later WWE gives back Randy Orton a legend killer gimmick and he again delivered at his best. Then he started a feud against Drew McIntyre for WWE Championship and after 2 failed attempts, in the end at Hell in a Cell 2020 pay-per-view, he finally won WWE Championship. So Roman Reigns vs Randy Orton is the main mouth-watering clash that fans enjoyed at Survivor Series 2020 event. If you know about our prediction, then our prediction of this match goes with Roman Reigns who become victorious in this match. Number 3 is Sasha Banks Survivor Series match revealed. This week on Raw episode, WWE started the build-up for upcoming pay-per-view Survivor Series 2020 matches. WWE already announced the big matches for Survivor Series 2020. This show has already made many predictable matches, so WWE decided to announce all matches right after Hell in a Cell pay-per-view without any delay. As per WWE's official announcement, Sasha Banks take on Asuka in a champion vs champion match at Survivor Series 2020 next month. At Hell in a Cell 2020, Sasha Banks became a third female who won Grand Slam champion in WWE. Maybe Bayley has not done with Sasha Banks yet, so he could play a major role in this match at Survivor Series 2020. And maybe Bayley caused that match to Sasha Banks. Both women Asuka and Sasha Banks are great in ring performance, so we can expect a good match between them at the show. So if you want to know about our prediction of this match, then our prediction for this match is goes with Sasha Banks, who defeated Asuka via disqualification due to the Bailey's outside interference. Number 2 is Bobby Lashley's Survivor Series opponent from SmackDown possibly revealed. We know that at Survivor Series 2020 all champions will clash each other from different brands. Due to the Survivor Series theme, many times we witness dream matches that we want to see on WWE TV. At Survivor Series 2020, current United States Champion Bobby Lashley faces SmackDown's Intercontinental Champion Sami Zayn in Champion vs Champions match. Sami Zayn could be the best opponent for Bobby Lashley if we consider Sami Zayn's NXT run and his initial main roster run. But if we look at current run of Sami Zayn and his character, then this match looks like one-sided match, because right now there is no comparison between Bobby Lashley and Sami Zayn. This year has been so good for Bobby Lashley. First, WWE gives him a big push and puts him in the top title picture against Drew McIntyre. But unfortunately, he fell short to win the title. Then WWE make a faction of Bobby Lashley with MVP called Hurt Business. And then 2 more members also joined that faction, that is Shelton Benjamin and Cedric Alexander. So for Bobby Lashley's 2020 year going to be a good till now. If you want to know about the prediction of this match, then our prediction of this match goes without doubt with Bobby Lashley, who dominating Sami Zayn and pick up a win in that match. Number 1 is WWE's plan for Roman Reigns faction. It's been a lots of talk going around in WWE as well as outside WWE about Roman Reigns and his fiction on SmackDown brand. We heard what consequences that Roman Reigns revealed as a result of his match against Jey Uso at Hell in Cell 2020. Roman Reigns revealed that if he lost that match, then he lost his title and live with that fact in WWE. But if Jey Uso lost that match, then he will become knocked out from his legacy and family. And he and Jimmy Uso also followed Roman Reigns' order, as Roman Reigns is now officially their tribal chief. So WWE already gives hints that as per the consequences, the Usos unwantedly join Roman Reigns as a fiction. This could be the WWE idea to make Roman Reigns mega star like John Cena and The Rock. For the Usos, WWE could give him SmackDown Tag Team titles in the upcoming time. Because Roman Reigns is now a top heel on SmackDown brand, WWE can give him followers just like they give disciples to Seth Rollins to give him more hate from the fans. So this is just a possibility that Usos also turn heel and in the process of joining Roman Reigns fiction. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoyed. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.